Congratulations, Dr. Lawson, on your now having been duly installed as the 124th President of the National Medical Association.